got a blender and some fruits.
Turn this on. I'm not gonna read books. Boys, Andres in Spain.
Yeah, he's in Bilbao right now. We got a blender and some fruits. Let's see what's up.
Bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Choose up, Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it comes to my bitch, I'm straight active.
Excuse me. Is it too loud? Is it too loud? No. Okay. That's good. I just got this. It's new.
Was kann man machen?
Fruits. Don't you see? I'm mixing fruit. It's brand new. WMF.
Okay,
Mixing fruits.
okay.
This shit is so good.
But you want to...
I know what you're saying, but can you please keep it down? This is still a library.
Okay,
I'm just mixing fruits. I just bought it. It's brand new.
okay.
The news on the market. The newest thing. I mean, I could sell it to you. It's on sale. About 2K. 2K and you can have it.
I have... Because I have something like that at home.
Yeah, but this one is better. I mean, 2K, 1.5K. Okay, my last price, 1K.
1K euro?
Yes. It's
You need-
cheap. I bought it for 50K. 50K for this beautifully looking WMF.
Why you say K? Because K is 1,000.
K is 1,000, yes.
But when you say 1K,
Yes.
you mean 1,000 euros?
Yes, it's cheap. I will sell it to another person. So, good luck with your shitty one. Finally, in the restaurant again.
Danke.
Wow. Ooh.
Yo, we are filming right now. We did a blender prank.
Blender prank. Was it good? Yeah, it was good. It was just one lady, but she was so. I tried to sell it to that lady. Alright.
Yeah, food is here.
Finally, food. I'm hungry. It was absolutely disgusting. 1.5 out of 10. Así está bien, ¿no? It's fine, we fixed it. Alright, Fed. You know, you guys are going in?
Yeah.
And then you call me, okay?
Okay.
You can still hear me when I'm outside.
Alright, bye.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay right here, okay? Excuse me. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? English. I was looking for a plug. I thought I could help out by cleaning a bit. The floor is a little dirty here, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Excuse me.
some remember days long. Plugs up and teet, they make big clothes. Ask a question, all my friends are fake, whoa. Double nano, triple six, your topic list.
There's not enough plugs here. Should I just clean up this aisle and then go around? Or
No,
I shouldn't clean this whole side?
I don't understand.
Because I could keep cleaning this side, you know what I mean? Like here, look at this.
Keep staring, open case closed.
Why are you cleaning?
Oh, I thought I would help out today.
You don't speak Spanish?
Un poco. So should I keep cleaning?
No.
What do I do then?
But
I'm not gonna read books. I thought this place was a little messy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
No?
No, you can't.
I mean, I could help out. I'm doing it for free. I'm not getting paid or anything.
Yeah. I know it.
Should I bring a mop instead? I think this is a little too loud, maybe. I could go home and get my mop. Like even this, look, this is a little dusty, you know what I mean? Like even the dust on this, if we just turn this on. No clean? I think it's better if I bring my mop then, right? Oh, sorry. It's better if I bring my mop then?
You can't.
I can't clean?
No.
How am I supposed to read then? How am I supposed to read books then? Got done fucking vacuuming the library. I'm waiting for Nana and Isa to come out. Don't show that on the... Oh my god, wait, do you think I could get up there?
No.
I'm gonna try to get up there and pose with them. Oh my god, there's cameras there. That might be like the one illegal thing, and then we did it. Oh. I think I fell for you. I think I fell for you. No? I think we have to do it right as it's buzzing.
Yeah, did you not know that?
No. See?
I think
He wants water. Okay, I'll get you water.